How to unban a business Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to unban a business Instagram account, what you simply need to do is one of the first method is to have an in-app appeal. So you can simply launch the Instagram application on a device and request for review, and you can submit the appeal and wait for 24 to 72 hours. Next is to appeal via Instagram Help Center. So for that, you have to launch your browser on a device and simply tap on the search bar to search for Instagram Help Center. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Instagram Help Center. As you do that, you can simply tap on these different options. So let's just toggle off the desktop side, and here you can see different options. So let's tap on Instagram Help Center, and here you can simply search for appeals and you can fill out the appeal form with full name, Instagram username, and email link to the account and submit and wait for the response. Next is to have the selfie verification. You can check your email from Instagram, open the verification link, and upload a clear selfie video and then submit it. So next is we can simply use Meta Business Support over here. So you can go to Meta Business Manager, open help and contact support and submit details and have chat with the support as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.